Welcome to the sights and sounds of vintage baseball. This is my favorite vintage ballist, Haymaker. So, what is vintage baseball?
Vintage baseball in the Tennessee Association. We play by the rules of 1864, which means, first of all, we don't have any gloves. This is my glove. We have a one-bound rule. The ball can hit the ground one time. The fielder can catch it, and the batter will be out. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same rules as the modern game.
Oh, no strikes unless you actually swing at the ball. If you swing at the ball, that's the only way you can get a strike. Otherwise, you can sit there forever. And the pitcher also pitches for the hitter, meaning he's trying to give them a ball to hit rather than trying to
strike them out.
Yeah. So yeah, and it's a gentlemanly sport, but of course it's played by women as well. So I just thought I'd give you a little peek inside what the vintage baseball is all about. We're here at this, I don't want to say tournament, it's a festival.
It's a festival.
Yeah, but all the teams are here today of the Tennessee Association of Vintage Baseball, and I just did not want to miss the chance to give you all just a little glimpse of one of our favorite pastimes.
Yankee going to third, got the out, so that puts a Colonel. Yankees the last out. It's Colonel, look! Himself, Haymaker will be the striker. Right, Colonel? Wait. What did he say? I don't know. It was Yankee going to third that got the out, so it's Colonel's up next. You're on deck.
So you want to explain that about the batting lineup?
We don't have a set lineup as far as the lineup is determined by whoever makes the last out. So in the previous inning when we batted, the Yankee Bear made the final out. That means the batter after Yankee Bear will lead off the next inning.
Oh.
Look close in. I was like, no! He wanted it, but he wasn't going to take it.
There you go. Oh, he got out. It bounced and he caught it. We've got two fields going today. Games playing at the same time.
Hondo, are you up or am I?
A little interesting here in the rain.
Start us off, Hondo.
Spartan, fantastic.
Great game. Playing us hard. You got us again.
Remember the first time we played?
Competitor. Hip hip huzzah! 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 Hip hip huzzah!
And all the guys are going over to the other field for a photo. Oh, we gotta get a picture.
Drone shot. Drone shot.
Did you get that? Apparently. That's hilarious.
Big sir!
Look at all this manliness. You see so much manliness all assembled into one field.
I sure have not.
Hurry up, Brown. Show the floor. We can win, right? Nothing right yet. Looking for some. There he is.
Follow me on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Pinterest, follow me on Twitch, follow me on MySpace. What the hell is MySpace? Follow me on Musical.ly, follow me on Reddit, follow me on the sidewalk, follow me on the road, follow me on WhatsApp, follow me on Daily Motion. Follow.